Hello guys, in this video, I will show you the best free VPN for Android. First you can install Proton VPN from the Play Store. Then open the app and you can continue without creating an account. Just continue as a guest and complete the setup. After that, you won't be able to choose specific locations, but you can connect to random free servers with unlimited usage. You can also switch between random countries for free, so it's definitely worth trying. Another good option is Turbo VPN. Install it from the Play Store and open it. You can simply tap to connect instantly. If you want more options, go to Save List and choose any of the free locations and then connect it. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.